Opening shot of a person waking up in the morning with an alarm clock ringing. The person rubs their eyes and looks at the clock. Narrator: we all know that starting our day off right sets the tone for the rest of the day. That's why having a good morning routine is so important. In this video, we'll be discussing the best morning routine to help you start your day off on the right foot. Cut to a shot of a person stretching in bed. First things first, let's talk about waking up. Did you know that waking up at the same time every day can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve your sleep quality? This will help you feel more energized throughout the day. Once you're up, take a few minutes to stretch your body. This will get your blood flowing and help you feel more alert. Drinking water. Next, hydrate. Drinking water as soon as you wake up has many benefits. Not only does it help to rehydrate your body after a long night's sleep, but it also boosts your metabolism, aids digestion, and helps flush out toxins. Add a slice of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that can help protect your body against damage from harmful free radicals. Cut to a shot of a person meditating. Now, it's time to clear your mind. Taking 10 to 15 minutes to meditate or practice mindfulness can have a positive impact on your mental health. Studies have shown that meditation can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also improve your focus and attention span, which can help you be more productive throughout the day. Cut to a shot of a person doing exercise. Physical activity is also an important part of a morning routine. Whether it's a quick yoga session or a jog around the block, getting your blood pumping will increase your energy levels and help you focus. Exercise has many other benefits as well, including improving your mood, boosting your immune system, and reducing your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Cut to a shot of a person having breakfast. Finally, it's time to refuel. Having a healthy breakfast that's high in protein and fiber will keep you feeling full and energized. Avoid sugary cereals or pastries, as these will cause your energy levels to crash later in the day. Instead, opt for foods like eggs, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Eating a nutritious breakfast can also improve your cognitive function, memory, and mood. Cut to a shot of a person getting ready for the day. So there you have it, the best morning routine to start your day off right. By waking up at the same time, hydrating, meditating, exercising, and having a healthy breakfast, you'll set yourself up for a productive and fulfilling day. Remember, creating a consistent morning routine takes time and effort, but the benefits are worth it. Thanks for watching.